Assalamu alaikum. How are you learners? I am Nadia Mughal. This is lecture number 1, class 3, subject English literature. Reader, The Pied Piper of Hamelin. Learner, this is the title page of your reader, The Pied Piper of Hamelin. Open your reader, page number 4. There are some characters. The first one is in yellow and red dress is Pied Piper. The second one is Mayor. The third one picture is of children. Page number 5. This is the Hamelin. Hamelin is a city in northern Germany. Mountain, and this long stick is called pipe. Come on to the next page, page number 6. Let's start reading. Many years ago, there was a beautiful little town called Hamelin. The people of Hamelin were very happy until the day the rats came. You can see there are many people who are happy. They were living in Hamelin city. Come to the next page. Thousands of rats came to Hamelin. There were big rats and little rats, thin rats and fat rats. There were rats in all the houses and rats in all the shops. Now you can see that there are a lot of rats. They entered in Hamelin city. Some rats are big, some are small, some little, some thin, and some are fat. Come to the next page. There are rats on my table, said one man. There are rats under my chair, said another man. There are rats in my kitchen, called one woman. There are rats in my bed, shouted another woman. Find the words as I have underlined. Come to the next page. There are rats all over the house, said a little boy. Make these rats leave the town, cried a little girl. Come to the next page. Learners, this girl is crying that because there is rat on her bed, and he wants that the rat leave the town. And this woman is also cried because there are rats all over her house. The people of Hamelin went to see the mayor. This is the mayor, or mayor is the head of the town. This one is the mayor in green dress. Make these rats leave the town, they shouted. People asked her or said him that try to make the rats leave the town. What can I do? Said the mayor. There are rats in my house too. I have tried and tried to make them leave. They won't go. He said, I tried my best to that the rats leave the town, but they won't go. Come to the next page. You must make all the rats leave, the people said. If you didn't make them go away, we will choose another mayor. People said, if you don't make the rats move away from the town, we will elect another mayor for our city. You must. The next page is. Then one day, a strange man went to see the mayor. He was wearing red and yellow clothes, and he carried a pipe in his hand. I am the Pied Piper, said the strange man, and I can make the rats leave Hamelin. This is the strange man who has wore red and yellow dress. He said, I can make the rats move away from the Hamelin. Come to the next page. The name of this man is Pied Piper. The mayor said, "If you can make these rats leave Hamelin, I'll give you lots of money." "Very well," said the Pied Piper, "but don't forget your promise." The mayor said, "If you make the rats leave the Hamelin, I'll give you lot of money." Uh, the Pied Piper replied, "Very well, but don't forget your promise to give me money." Then the Pied Piper went into the streets of Hamelin. He began to play a strange tune on his pipe. The rats heard the music and they stopped to listen because this music amused the rats. Suddenly, one rat followed the Pied Piper, then another rat followed him, and another. Soon, all the rats ran after the Pied Piper. As you can see, all the rats ran after the Pied Piper to listen the music. Come to page number 24. The Pied Piper walked toward the river. He was still playing the strange tune on his pipe. The rats followed him and they all jumped into the river. That was the end of the rats in Hamelin. You can see the Pied Piper is moving towards or walking towards the river. The rats were also following him. So they jumped into the river. In this way, the rats was the end of the rats in Hamelin. Come to the next page. The Pied Piper went back to see the mayor. "The rats have all gone," he said. "Can I have my money now, please?" The mayor said, "No," said the mayor, "I have no money to give you." So the mayor forgot his promise and he didn't give money to the Pied Piper. Okay learners, Allah Hafiz.